This module about write-back introduced the supporting data architecture, the steps to enable write-back, and demonstrated the results of using write-back. Before getting into the details of working with write-back, we reviewed several write-back concepts. First, and most importantly, write-back is an enterprise edition feature and requires users to have an application that supports analysis services write-back. We can implement dimension write-back when we want users to be able to add new members, such as a revision number for a budget or a forecast version. Dimension write-back updates a relational table immediately and performs a process update to add the member to the analysis services dimension store. Cell write-back allows users to update numeric values in the cube, and then analysis services writes data to a relational partition and then performs an incremental update on the cube. To implement dimension write-back, we set the write-enabled property of the dimension to true. Then authorized users can add new members to a dimension. Only the dimension member name is required from the user, and then Analysis Services sends a T-SQL insert statement to the relational source and then runs an update process on the dimension to add in the new member. To implement cell write-back, we create a write-back partition for a measure group, which can use MOLAP or ROLAP storage. As a user adds or changes values in the cube, the values stay in memory for the user's current session, and no one else can see those values. That way, a user can test the impact of changes made before finalizing the input. When finished, a commit command from the application causes Analysis Services to recalculate user input as weighted values to leaf level cells if the input was at higher levels, and then Analysis Services sends T-SQL insert statements to add corresponding records to the write-back partition. If the partition uses MOLAP storage, Analysis Services also performs an incremental update to bring the cube up to date for faster performance. And here are some resources you might find helpful when implementing and working with write-back.